Welcome back to the Regional Cybercrime Unit YouTube channel. Today, we will be looking at the NCSC's guidance on managing your digital footprint. We will be looking at what a digital footprint is, checking your privacy settings online, ensuring your accounts are protected, best practices to follow, and reporting an incident if your account has been breached. So, what is your digital footprint? Your digital footprint is your data online that directly links back to you. This can be data that has been left on the internet in the past or current information that is out there that can identify you. Social media is a great way to stay in touch with family, friends, and keep up to date on the latest news. However, it's important to know how to manage the security and privacy settings on your accounts, so that your personal information remains inaccessible to anyone but you. This is why companies such as Instagram, Facebook, and X advise you to protect your information that you display on your profile. Social media platforms offer privacy settings to limit public access to your information. You can also set restrictions to share specific content only with chosen individuals. Regularly review and update these settings to match your preferences and comfort levels. Be very cautious about sharing your location online too. Two-step verification, often shortened to 2SV and sometimes called two-factor authentication, provides a way of double-checking that you really are the person you are claiming to be when you're using online services, such as social media, banking, or email. Even if a criminal, or someone simply looking to cause mischief, knows your password, they won't be able to access any of your accounts that are protected using 2SV. It's worth exercising some caution when using social media. Not everyone using social media is necessarily who they say they are. Take a moment to check if you know the person and if the friend link follow is genuine. Think about what you're posting and who has access to it. Have you configured the privacy options so that it's only accessible to the people you want to see it? Consider what your followers and friends need to know, and what detail is unnecessary but could be useful for criminals. Have an idea about what your friends, colleagues, or other contacts say about you online. Scammers will make fake accounts and/or hack real accounts to use them to commit a range of fraudulent activities. Many sites have a process to verify accounts, such as verified badges for Instagram and Facebook. This can help to identify real accounts against fake accounts pretending to be a well-known person. Other things to look out for include account startup date indicating when it was set up. Nonsensical names appears to be random letters and numbers. The number of followers, note, followers can be bought. It is not just celebrities' accounts that are targeted by scammers. If a family member or friend posts something that appears suspicious or out of character, contact them by another method, in case their account has been hacked. If it transpires their account has been taken over, they should follow the NCSC's guidance on recovering hacked accounts. Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to see more, make sure you don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media. You can also subscribe to our weekly Sentinel newsletter to get the latest news on our work and current threats in the UK.